Hello and welcome back, dear students. Wish you are safe, happy, healthy and safe at home and do your studies regularly and properly. I am Yojana Parak and today we are going to see a poem for Standard 3 students from your English textbook, Marigold. From this book we are going to see Unit 9 and there are two parts in Unit 9. We are going to do the first one, that is the poem. The name of this poem is Don't Tell. That means don't instruct me, don't order me or don't advise me. Here the thinking of a child is presented by the way of this poem. What the child feels, what the child thinks and why he says don't tell, don't order me, don't explain me, don't give me advices and don't instruct me. Why is he having that feeling that we are going to see in this poem? So now let us see the poem. It is a very short and simple poem with a deep meaning. So now let us begin. Don't tell. There are lots of things they won't let me do. I'm not big enough yet, they say. So I patiently wait till I am all grown up and I show them all one day. I could show them now if they gave me the chance. There are things I could do if I tried. But nobody knows that I am really a giant inside. So now let us understand what this poem means. Here he says that there are lots of things, there are numerous things they won't let me do. Who are they? The elders. My parents or the elders, they won't let me do many things. And what they say I'm not big enough yet. I'm not big enough to understand those things or to do those things, to do such kind of act. They think that I am a kid and I am not able to do anything. So always I be under the instruction of my elders and they feel that I do not understand anything, I cannot do anything, I am just a kid. And that is why they say wait until you grow up, yet you are a kid and you won't understand many things, you are not able to do many things, so you should not try for them. But they don't understand that I am capable of doing many things, but they refuse me to do many things by saying that I am not big enough to do such kind of things. So when they say that I am not big enough, I don't have the proper age to do such things, so I listen them patiently without speaking anything and I wait till I am all grown up, just like them. When I will also be grown up and I will also be mature like them, then I will show them what can I do. And then they won't ask me, then they won't say me that I am not big enough or they won't refuse me for anything. Yet I am a kid and that is why they are refusing me. Just wait, once I get grown up, then I will show them what can I do and I will do all the things whichever I want and they won't refuse me then. So he thinks that right now they are refusing me, so I will wait patiently. And then when I will be grown up, so then I will show them what I can do. And I will show them all one day. I will show them all what can I do one day when I will be grown up. But then he says, I could show them now if they gave me the chance. If those elder people give me the chance once, I can show them right now too that I am capable of doing many things. But they don't even listen to me. They don't even give any chance to me to do so many things. So I will have to wait until I grow and I become an elder person. There are things I could do if I tried, if they give me a chance. So there are many things which I can do if just I try. But they don't even let me try to do things. How will they get to know whether I am able to do those things or not? They are not giving me any chance. So that is why I can't show them what can I do right now. So I will have to wait until I grow. But nobody knows. No, nobody knows that I am really a giant inside. They all think that I am a kid, and that is why they don't give me any chance to do anything. They don't even let me try to do so many things. They don't even let me try to do anything. They just refuse me, saying that I am a kid. But they don't know. They really don't know anything that I am really a giant. I am a grown-up person from inside, and from my heart I know everything, I understand everything, I can do everything. There are so many things which I can do, but I can't do because of the elder people refuse me. They don't give me the chance because they don't understand that I am a grown-up person, I am a giant inside, and I have the strength and I have the power for doing these things. But I cannot show them because they don't allow me. If they would know that I am a person who can understand these things, I am not just a kid, I am able to understand and I am able to do this, I have the power, I have the mental strength. And if they would have given me just one chance, I would prove them. But now I cannot do because they are not giving me chance. But I know that inside me I am a giant, but nobody knows that I am a giant and I am capable of doing all the things. So he feels that the elder people do not allow him to do many of the things because it is their opinion that he is just a kid and he is not able to do this kind of things. So that is why he says that just to prove them I will have to wait, and right now being a kid I have to listen them patiently, and inside I am waiting just to get grown up, and then I will show them all what can I do after growing up, as they think that when I will grow I am able to do those things. Here he wants to do the things which elder people do. But elder people say that we are grown up, we can do these things, but you are a kid and you cannot do this kind of things. They don't even give me any chance. So that is why he says that right now I have to keep patience and I have to wait until I grow up. So when I will grow up just like them, then I will also do the things as they do. And then I will show them all what can I do, and then they will not refuse me. But if even I can do all these things right now too, if they give me chance, but they don't let me try even, otherwise I will have show them, because they think that I am a kid, but no one knows actually I am a giant inside, I am a grown-up person inside, and I can do all these things which they do, and I will prove them if they give me the chance, because I am giant inside, I am grown-up person inside, but they don't understand. Now the moral which is given by the way of this poem, that mostly elder people try to put their order, their opinions, their thinking on the children, and they have to obey all those things even if they do not desire to do those things. But still, because of the pressure of elder people, they have to do. Now, children are obeying everything just as ordered by elder people. But elder people do not give any chance to the children to speak. They do not listen or try to listen to their children. They do not even think that their children can also have their opinion. They do not even give them chance. And because of that, the children feel suppressed. So, elders should also give chance to the children and should listen them and should give them a chance to do whatever they want. Let them try. If they fail, they will realize by themselves, and if they pass, then parents will realize, elders will realize that they are capable. So, listen to your children and give them the chance of to let them do whatever they want. This will create a good relationship between the children and elder people, between the children and parents, and will also encourage the child, and their bond will get strong, and parents will also get to know their capability. So, this was the moral of this poem, that children should not be suppressed, they should also be given the chance to put their opinion. And elders should also give the chance to the children to put their thought in front and let them do whatever they want, and let them realize by themselves what are their capabilities. If they fail, so they will realize, or if they success in that particular thing, so parents will realize. But they should give them one chance at least. So listen to your children too. Don't suppress them. Now, with this, the explanation of this poem completes, and now we will move to the new words of this poem. Let us see. Here are the new meanings which we get from this poem. First word is enough. E-N-O-U-G-H. Enough. This is the way it is pronounced. Now let us see the meaning of this. As much as needed. So according to the requirement. Sentence can be made by this word. I had enough lunch with my friends. That means I have taken my lunch with my friends as much as I needed. So I have taken enough lunch. Next. Chance. C-H-A-N-C-E. Chance. Now let us see the meaning. That is possibility. Chances, that means possibility. Sentence. There is a chance of winning the game. That means there are possibilities of winning the game. It can be. Next word is giant. G-I-A-N-T. Giant. The meaning of this word is enormous, of huge size. That means something which is very huge and big and enormous. The sentence you can make with this, that is, I saw a giant animal in my dream. That means I saw a big, huge, enormous animal in my dream. So in this way you can use these new words by understanding their meaning and by making sentences from these new words. Now the last word is patient. P-A-T-I-E-N-T. It is pronounced patient. The meaning of this word is to be able to tolerate delays. That means here that the elders are delaying and he is quietly waiting for that. So he is tolerating the delay. He is able to tolerate the delay. He is able to wait. That is called patient. Now let us see the sentence. My teacher is very patient with the students. She can tolerate or she can bear the students. So she is very patient, she is very calm, quiet, and she controls herself, her anger, and she bear them, she tolerate them. That is why she is very patient with the students, very calm and peaceful. So in this way, you can use these words into sentence by understanding their meaning. So here we have done the explanation of the poem Hard Words, and we understood the meaning of these new words and also made sentences from these new words. Here the explanation of this poem completes and this video comes to an end. Now we will meet in the next video and we will do the exercise of this poem. Till then, take care of yourself, be safe and keep on learning. Thanks for being with me. See you.